Imagine getting paid to do what you already love, play games. That's right. In today's video, I'll show you 5 legit apps in 2025 that actually pay real money just for playing games. No scam, no tricks. Whether you're looking for a fun side hustle, some pocket money, or just want to game guilt-free, these apps could be your next passive income stream. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around to the end. Number 3 will surprise you. First up is Mistplay. And yeah, it's Android only for now. Mistplay rewards you for playing new mobile games. The longer you play, the more points you earn. Points can be exchanged for gift cards, like Amazon, Google Play, and more. You won't get rich, but active users report making $10 to $50 a month just playing casually. Here's a pro tip. Stick to the high reward games and stack daily bonuses for faster payouts. Just a heads up, Mistplay is only available on Android, and the iOS version is still pretty limited. Next is Gamee. It's a collection of casual mini-games where you can earn daily tickets to win cash prizes. The more you play, the more tickets you get. And those tickets enter you into daily, weekly, and monthly draws. You can cash out your winnings to PayPal, with minimums starting at around $10. Now the big wins are luck-based, but consistent players can earn small daily amounts. And the best part? Gamee is available on both Android and iOS. Alright, so next up is Swagbucks Live. This is a live trivia game show app where you answer questions correctly and split the prize pool with other winners. Live games usually happen a few times a day, mostly in the evenings. The cool part, all the points you earn can be converted to PayPal cash or gift cards, which is pretty sweet. Just a heads up, you'll need to be quick and smart because the trivia can range from pop culture all the way to history. Oh, and as a bonus, you can also earn passive Swagbucks by using their main site for things like surveys, shopping, and more. Next is Pocket 7 Games. This one's a skill-based gaming app that actually has a bunch of different games like 2048, Bubble Shot, Solitaire, and more. Here's how it works. You enter skill-based cash tournaments, compete against other players, and if you win, you get real money. PayPal is the main payout method, and you can handle deposits and withdrawals through their secure portal. One thing to keep in mind though, is that you can deposit your own money to play, but they also give out free entry tickets, so you can totally earn without spending anything. This one's really good for fast thinkers and people who love strategy. So, moving on, let's talk about the Skillz Platform. This is a competitive gaming platform that powers real money tournaments inside tons of mobile games. Some of the top games include Solitaire Cube, 21 Blitz, and Bubble Shooter tournaments. Skilled players have reported earning over $100 a week, but of course, results can vary. When it comes to payouts, you've got options like PayPal, bank transfers, and even Visa gift cards. One thing I really like is you can start off with free practice games, and only deposit your own money if you're feeling confident. Plus, it's available on both Android and iOS devices. And there you have it, 5 real apps that actually pay you to play games in 2025. Whether you're into trivia, strategy, or just some casual fun, there's honestly something here for everyone. Comment below which app you're going to try first, or tell us if you've already used any of them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next money-making video. And hey, if you want a full list of over 20 paying game apps, just type Games 2025 in the comments, and I'll send you a free PDF.